I had no idea what to expect. I was happy from the moment I got here. It's hard to explain, even though I drove 10 hours straight and slept for an hour. But the teachers just were really awesome at just understanding that we don't have a basic knowledge and starting from there. We went at a really good pace. I never felt like, oh my God, I don't understand this and we're moving on. So that was really awesome. As someone who's really clueless on how to work with tools, that really helped me. The pace was really great. It's a really safe space here. My defenses are down, so I could just learn, which is really helpful because I don't know if anyone feels really clueless whenever they want to get a project started or whenever they're in like Home Depot or Lowe's. And now I don't feel so clueless, and that's really exciting. And now I could tackle some of the awesome projects that I've been wanting to do for years. So that's what's super exciting about this. Like, I want to make a solar dehydrator, a Yoni steam box, which sounds funny, but I used one in South America and it was really awesome. It's like a box you sit on and the herbs steam into you and it feels really nice. So yeah, I want to do one of those and a solar dehydrator and then a hoop house, greenhouse. So I feel like now I could tackle those things.